Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to add and how to remove the Google account on this watch. Before we start, if you want to add or remove the Google account on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone to do that. Actually, only to add the account to your watch. Your watch needs to be paired with a phone. To remove it, not really. But like I said, if you want to add the account, you will need to pair your watch with a phone. And once you have a watch paired with a phone, we can continue. And now we can go to our watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the Chrome button. And we can press it again to open the menu. And we can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called Other. And once you find it, tap on it. Then find option called Google. And once you find it, select it. And here select accounts. And right here, if you have any account added to your watch, you will see it right here on the list. As you can see, we don't have any, so we want to add a Google account to our watch. To do it, tap on Add Google account. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you will see this pop up. And basically, you need to tap on this icon. And on the phone that is paired with your watch, once you tap on this icon, you will see the pop-up. And once you see this pop-up, actually let me zoom out the screen so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, so once you see the pop-up on the phone and you have some account on your phone, basically you have added a Google account to your phone, you can select that account and then tap on continue. Enter the password for your account to confirm that it's you. Okay, and then you can tap on next. And it will start copying the account to your watch. And once you're done, the account will appear on the list. So if we go back to settings, the account should be right here on the list. And now you can use any Google services on your watch, like Play Store, Gmail and stuff like that. And if you want to remove the account from your watch, you need to open the accounts menu. You need to tap on the account, tap on the remove account, tap on the check mark, and the account will be removed. And then you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you add and how you remove the Google account on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.